Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video to the KineMaster video exporting test comparison between the iQOO 7 versus the Oneplus Nord 2 device. So this is a test which I'm trying to do after the recent software update from the two smartphones. Yes, just a couple of days back the Oneplus Nord 2 did receive the software update, and even I think 2 days back the iQOO 7 also received the software update in this phone. Let's see which phone will be having what kind of speeds in terms of the KineMaster video rendering speeds. The iQOO 7 has got the Snapdragon 870 chipset and OnePlus Nord 2 has got the Dimensity 1200 chipset. And during this process I'm trying to use high performance mode. As you can see friends, high performance mode is enabled in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So let me open the KineMaster application and use the KineMaster application, and I'm trying to use the same video in both phones. And you can see the first I'm trying to convert the 1080 file into the 1080. So then I'll need to convert 1080 into 2K and 4K. Then in this way I'll be able to start the test. So first, these are the settings which I'm trying to use, the bitrate and everything. As you can see, the expected size is of very close, 222 MB only, both phones. As you can see friends, nothing much difference in terms of the expected size output. So now let me need to start the test. So now I'm converting the 1080 video file into the 1080 video file. Let me need to click at same time. Let's see how much difference can it be there between both phones. 1, 2, 3. And both are 8GB RAM variants only. I'm trying to use in this process of demonstration. And it is a Snapdragon 870 chipset which is going, as you can see, very fast. You can clearly see friends the difference between the Snapdragon 870 and the Dimensity 1200 in terms of the performance levels, as you can see. So I'm converting the 1080 file into the 1080 only. So during this process of demonstration, you can see I think the iQOO 7 is a kind of double speed than the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So iQOO 7 did finish the 1080 to 1080 as well very fast. As you can see, by the time I think OnePlus Nord 2 was around, I think close to maybe 40%, I think so, in terms of the rendering speeds. As you can see, the OnePlus Nord 2 is the exact phone which I'm trying to use. And after the recent software update, these are the results which we got. And let's move to the next test, which is a 2K test. So I'm converting into the 1080 video to the 2K 1440 resolution. Let's see what happens with this. So estimated size and bitrate is everything is same between both phones, nothing much change. As you can see, everything is completely same. And now let me need to click at same time, it's save as image, and let's skip at same time. Yes. Now let's see. As you can see, even from the 1080 to 2K as well, the iQOO 7 phone was able to go very fast in terms of the exporting results, as you can clearly see friends. So overall the conclusion is that if you are trying to use a KineMaster video editing application, then these are the results you will be experiencing. Dimensity 1200 versus Snapdragon 870 chipset. You can actually save a lot of time. So because the Dimensity 1200 processor phones, they are actually taking double time than the iQOO 7 device. I mean the Snapdragon 870. So in terms of the video rendering, exporting, if you try to use a KineMaster, you will save a lot of time. Yes, as you can see friends, so much of time will be saved if you try to use the Snapdragon 870. So this is a quick comparison friends. Even if you use the 4K, doesn't matter. The 4K also will be very slow within both phones. So I mean the OnePlus Nord 2 device, definitely it will be slow. The Snapdragon 870 chipset was able to, as you can see, go faster as well. So that's it friends. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. I'll then stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.